Hey guys, I just unclogging this one way right here. Wow, this one unclog itself because the plus of water. You hear it done doing. Alright, that's good enough, I guess. Let me see what this about. Yep. Let me see what this about. Why this water here right now? Clogged. Yep. I wish this can that wow. That what holding it back? Yep, that was what holding it back. That one Gatorade bottle. We're draining. Now we'll drain properly. I tried my hardest to keep this area clean, but kind of hard to, right next to an elementary school. My old school, see? I like hot, I had to take off my hat. Yeah. I'm trying to do my best to keep this